and welcome to my channel. I am Judine. I'm a classically trained chef with over 15 years of professional experience. I've worked as a private chef for over 10 years and I've also worked in some of the best restaurants. So I'm familiar with cooking and techniques. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a classic brown butter sauce and also a lemon caper butter sauce. So let's get right into it.
We're going to start with some cold butter. I'm going to add the cold butter to a small saute pan. If you're doing brown butter, I highly suggest you use a really good butter. I'm using grass-fed butter. If you can use a small pan, that would be ideal. I'm using a small saute pan, so not too wide if you notice the size of my hand in comparison to the pan. And what you're looking for now is for the milk solids to start separating. You can always do a grease splatter on top. If you're more comfortable, you can place a grease splatter on top. But for me, I tend to just move it around in the pan so that reduces the splashing of the butter. Now, this is just a technique that I've used over the years. Move it around, then it's less likely that it'll splash. But if you are a beginner, it is a great tool you can use, which is perfect and it won't splash as much. So I'm starting to see some milk solids that are starting to brown. I'm actually going to reduce the heat to a little medium to low heat. So then it'll be more of a slow process with the milk solids getting nice and nutty. And the term brown butter translates to hazelnut butter. So we're getting here now. So the brown butter is completed and you have to move quickly. And just to kind of take it up a notch, what I'm going to do is add some capers. It pairs really well with seafood or even poultry. And you can see the milk solids at the bottom. They look like little pieces of breadcrumbs that has been toasted. So that is a brown butter sauce that has been changed to a lemon caper butter sauce. So I went from having brown butter, I added some lemon supreme and then some capers. And then to top it off, I'm actually going to finish it with some fresh parsley. And this is a classic sauce that you may find in a lot of restaurants, but now you know how to make it at home. Really simple and easy. It's delicious and it's so easy to do. And just one lemon with the segments and the juice of one lemon, about a tablespoon of capers, and I topped it off with some fresh parsley. And I will be serving this with some fish tonight. I hope you give this a try. It's a beautiful sauce, classic sauce, and it's easy. I promise you can do it.
Thank you for joining. I will see you in my next video. Bye.